It's that time again where we've got a group camp and paddle event. This time at Fotheringhay. We've been there before. Steve, aka Grandad, set this one up, so thanks for that, Steve. Just about to set off. 2 hours, 33 minutes, 131 miles. Let's go! It's sunny right now, but the forecast is a bit naff. Here's hoping it's wrong. Look at the roof on that. Wow. Fotheringhay. Pretty little place, this. I remember this drive up from when we came last time. Look at that as it comes into view. How nice is that? We drive down a dirt path. Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. We are back by the River Nene, which is just over there. A bit windy and blustery. Hey, look at that red kite. Wow. So we're at Fotheringhay Castle Car Park, and all of this troop here, it's all part of our group. We've got quite a few here today, and there's still more to come. I'm not going to go through the whole list just at this moment in time. So here's my van. That's my storage tent. You might remember that tent from the Great Glen Canoe Trail. Decathlon, fresh black, 2-second tent. We've got Scott Pilgrim here. I've hooked a tarp over the both of our vans, just to create a bit of shelter. So it's supposed to rain a bit, and just so that we've got somewhere where we can put stuff, get changed, you know, anything like that. And stare at each other in the middle of the night. There's more red kites up there. Camera probably won't pick them up, they're a bit far away. That's Raf's van. Anyway, it's beer o'clock, and that's probably the most important thing. I'm not wrong, am I? Check this out, Wal's made me a hat. How cool is that? Got a bit of colour on it, hasn't it? And actually, considering I've got skin cancer at the moment, it's probably a good thing. Oh, it's nice not having to bring a shelter because somebody else has brought one for a change. Nice! That reminds me of Dave. Right, so it's about 5:45. Maybe not the best time to be going out, but this is my new boat. Looks like a pair of bananas, doesn't it? And oddly enough, it's called a banana. There we go, look. Banana. Bare bones package, doesn't come with a seat, bag or paddle, which I like because it means you can put your own stuff to it. Anyway, we're just going out for a little bit, just for a little poodle on the water. Woohoo! Get it wet.
That one looks a bit easier.
Oh, this looks fun.
Quite high.
Hey, this is alright. It turns better than I thought it was going to. Wet dog. Hello. Hello. So what is weird about this, I've kind of set that camera when I normally have my head in shot. And hello. Yeah, I'm very high up. I feel positively regal. It's an unusual feeling being on this, because unlike a regular kayak, you're not sat in the water. You really are above it. Really are above it, as you can see from the footage that Jim took from the bank. Look at that, he made that look easy. You made that look nice and easy. Yeah, got a bit of a boat wake to play with. See what this feels Collect the shoots 130. Scan it round. Inflatable traitor. In a camo boat, so he can't be seen. Cheating. We've docked. Docking has occurred. The swimmer.
The swimmer.
The swimmer. He's got his rush. He's going in. He's sat on the seat, the back of the seat, but he's in. I think I've definitely started a trend with the Deschutes. It's Deschutes Central. 2 110s up there, a 130 here. I think there's more Deschutes than anything in this group because Frank's got a Deschutes as well.
Yeah, I've got 2 now.
You've got 2 you got the 110 as well?
Yeah. I bought it off Alex.
So we've got at least 5 Deschutes in the group. And rightly so. Look at this, all these people out of the water. Here we go, just mooching around, waiting for other people to come out on the water. We're not going to end up going far tonight, given the fact that it's now 20 past 6. Just offered Grandad a hand to nose him in, and he said no. So, you know, here's hoping he doesn't fall in.
You, but I seen the light.
Whoa! Nearly went.
He meant to do that.
He meant to do that. I meant to do that. Oh.
You held it. You held it.
He held it well. How much water have you got in?
3 cans of lager. I shouldn't be doing this, really. But
I didn't say how much alcohol have you drunk. I said how much water did you get in the
you
boat?
were on the alcohol free.
That's where we launched from last time we were here. Look at all these people out. It's too many to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 including me. And Jim hasn't come out, so there's 16 all told. Not bad, is it? 16 of us.
14.
Why?
And the paddleboard and a plastic one.
An inflatable traitor. Look at this. Oh, I love this. Said it before and I'll say it again. Starting this group, best thing I've ever done. Best thing I've ever done.
here.
So I can navigate a willow tree almost with this. I'm out. Not very chatty.
Yeah, it's a great image actually. He's been pooing as he's walking.
Look at all that growth. We've been for a little paddle up river. We're just heading back. Well, we're headed back. Going to get something to eat, that kind of thing. Have a play about. I'm going to bring this into the little dock that I launched from. Docked. Certainly stable, that thing. And easy to manage. So I've set up this tent as a bit of a storage tent, so the boats are deflated in there. There's a little monkey eating some dinner on his van step there. Got a bit of a communal shelter thing going on here. And yeah, it's starting to, what time is it? I've got a sandwich for dinner. Looks like we might get a bit of rain, but I've got one of these. I'm just going to throw this around the field for a bit. And it's bonkers. Rolled it. Oh, rolled it again. Traction rolled it. It does look good bouncing across this field. Insane. Whoa!
Yeah, whoa.
Oh, rolled it.
You looking at my ass?
Seriously, I don't think anybody's looking at that.
Oh, she's away.
Right, now just bring it over the fire so we've got a bit of a fan. That'll get it going. Go on, bring it in, bring it in.
Can you take the gimbal cover off?
Who's fluffled it? Your birthday, yeah, you said.
Who?
Kevin.
when you put it on.
Kevin, hang on, I've lost.
Kevin!
Kevin, your birthday.
Kevin!
Today.
Well, a few of us have been up talking crap until stupid o'clock. It's been a really good day, good night. I'm going to settle down. I'll see you in the morning. Day 2. Cheerio.